Hey, Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, it's Sunday and it is raining out, but that's okay because you're just gonna sit back and watch part 2 of the Jungle Gems Trailer Rack Pro installation video. This is 2 of a 3-part series. So stick around, watch it, see if I can fix the mess up from before, and see how I pulled the Jesse. All right. Be right back. These are supposed to go here. Well, Lawn Dogs, as you can see, I moved it to the shop. The reason I did that is because my drill is here, so I can drill these holes. And I'm not outside in the sun dying. But anyway, the main reason why was the drill. So we're gonna get you set up and finish installing this stuff. All right, here we go. Hey y'all, so now I got it placed. Everything's mounted. Now we just need to tighten all the bolts. So I'm gonna go through and tighten all these. I'm gonna tighten them with my drill, and then I'm gonna crank them with my socket. All right, lawn dogs, it's on. This is stout. I can't move it at all. I got all the bolts tight. Kind of a pain in the butt. You gotta go through and tighten them off. So what I suggest you do is just start at one corner and kind of work your way around, nice and slow, and get them all. So this thing's a little tricky here. That goes in here like that, right? But you gotta get that bolt through there. So we gotta go, it's actually over there. Hey lawn dogs, it is done. You can see everything's in there. And I'm gonna give a review of this at a later date after a few weeks of using it, but everything is installed. Here, backpack blowers fit pretty good. What sold me on this was the way the backpack blowers sit. I got tired of my blower's, the hose bending over on itself. So I like the way it sits on that basket there. Now, a couple things. This does come with another set for racks right here. These are not installed. They're just loose. I can put them here or up front. If I put them up front, then I have to move my spare, which my spare is on there. It's on there good, but I don't like it there. So we're gonna maybe put those here, and I can put another rack right here. It comes with these divider stuff here, in here, and some rods for in here to divide. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, so I'm gonna leave that pretty empty. Gas can's probably gonna go in there, and we'll see what else, oil. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it one big basket. So there's that. Also comes with a water cooler. You can see it right there. I'll go around the trailer. I don't think I'm gonna hook this up right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but this mounts here, holds a water cooler, and you got the strap to hold the water cooler down. The only problem I got with using a water cooler is I have no way of filling it up here. There's no water at this building, so if I put a water cooler up, we just basically end up using it like a cooler or something. But anyway, that is it. It's installed. Got the edger and the trimmer, and the two backpack blowers on there. But yeah, so my take on the installation of this thing is a pain in the butt. It's just a pain. I like it so far. I mean, now that it's up, but my God, all the bolts and stuff you guys that you have to use, bolts and nuts, and it's constant. Everything's assembled. Nothing comes assembled. It was a bear. It was a bear. But anyway, yeah. I also don't know how I feel about those being so extended out. It looks like it's sagging in the middle a little bit. I don't think it's sagging, but it will over time. So I might figure out something there. But I like that idea, and I like the idea of being able to drive the lawnmower up underneath it. So I might suggest, we'll see how it looks in a couple weeks. We're gonna do my review, because I feel like that's gonna sag a lot more there. But anyway, hey, that's it for this video. As for installation or assembly of this stuff, I'm gonna give it a C. It wasn't hard, but it was a pain in the butt. I'd not give it a good grade. Average. Anybody somewhat mechanically inclined can do it. I'm not very mechanically inclined, and I did it. So, well, maybe a C+, C+. But yeah, it's in, and it's good. So anyway, hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. It's Floyd. I'm out. Bye.